My name is Hannah Marte, and I'm honored to be selected as a Stanbridge University recipient of the Lead California Fellowship with Epic Days Foundation. Epic Days Foundation is an organization that helps children and young adults with special needs build confidence and self-esteem through safe and adventurous activities in the water. Their goal is to make sure that everyone has an epic day with smiles and shakas.
Many volunteers from Stanbridge have worked with us in the past, and we're happy to have Hannah on board this year as our intern, and she'll be helping us really collect data and provide some information for the research on the effects of surf therapy, specifically to our population, which are children with special needs.
I never knew I wanted to work with kids in physical therapy until the end of my program. All I ever thought about was working in an outpatient sports clinic, but after working with these children, a lot of the treatments for them are coming up with a fun way to do exercise. I imagined myself incorporating exercise and fun activities together, so what better way than to do it with children?
Thank you to Stanbridge University, Epic Days, and Lead California.